So we have this hole in the floor here that I want to patch up and make solid. That was where an outlet was. So I don't want to have to go underneath the house to support this, to put a piece of wood as someone else is screwing from the top. So an easy way to do it is cut a piece of wood that's larger than the hole, but that fits through the hole like that. And then you're going to pass it through the hole and then use a string, or in this case a wire, to pull it back up against the bottom surface. I'm going to mark where I want to put the screws. Okay, so go ahead and start a screw here and put a screw over here. Okay, so pass a piece of wood through, put it underneath, center up that screw in the center so that the other screws can fit there well, and then screw these into the bottom piece of plywood. It's going to push away the plywood initially, but then it's going to suck back up against the surface. There we go. This is a similar technique as what is used in drywall. So now we have a patched up hole that I'm just going to cut out another piece of plywood in here that's going to fit on top of that, and then we can lay the flooring over it flush. So last thing to do is back out the screw. Okay, so once you have the pieces that add up to the right height, in this case is a piece of flooring and a piece of plywood, just drop it in here. And I've removed the foam backing on there so that it doesn't add up any height, and then it's flush. Make sure it's flush, and then I already pre-drilled and put the screws in there, so yeah, thank you. Okay, should be good.